Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I am back for part 2 for building a Lego set. My first Lego set that my best friend Ken bought me. Shout out to you again. So hopefully you're watching this video. If you are, say hi in the comments if you can. Wait, I don't think the comments are turned on. I keep forgetting. But I just built this with Wedge and Tilly's people, and he can just sit there. Woo. But no, he actually goes inside. I know. And by the way, guys, I'm a Star Wars fan, so just pop him in there. Just lie down in there. Chop his head off. Okay, there. Okay, we're going to be building the other set to it. So we got the other instruction book. So let's do this. Guys, we have built the speeder with the snow trooper and the laser thingy. So we've got Wedge and Tilly's ship. Well, it's not really a ship, but anyway, the speeder and the blaster thing. I'm not sure, but anyway, hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave in the comments if you want me to get the sand crawler, and I will do that for you. And leave in the comments if you want me to do more of these Lego sets. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And I have a big mess to clean up. But